How you doing? Kenny here at Champion Honda BMW Ducati in Charleston. So for you adventure guys and gals, a little thing we're working on. So you're out there on your little adventure, and you need to recharge. Most people with a GS or any adventure style bike are going to have a hard type shell. At least we've noticed a lot of the serious folks that do it have a harder shell. So Optimate has a really cool option here. Optimate brand chargers are a great product. We sell them here religiously. Highly recommended by a lot of manufacturers. So here you have a nice panel, solar panel, that's very compact and can easily be mounted here or just sat there while you're stopped doing whatever it is you're doing. Once you're complete with it, it fits easily in here. Drop that, but storage doesn't take up much room at all. So that's an option. We have these retail, I believe, is at $120. We can get these for you for under $100. Give us a call, 843-554-4600. Thank you.